Are you wondering if someone with diabetes has to be on medicines and insulin for life? Is it really a progressive and chronic condition that cannot be reversed? Not really. We have been helping people with type 2 diabetes through a personal nutrition coach, a meal plan, along with healthy and tasty superfoods. The impact of a good diet and lifestyle on diabetes is beyond amazing. And no, I'm not talking without data or proof. Our possible team conducted a clinical observation of 50 type 2 diabetic obese clients, out of which 27 were males and 23 were females. The research was published in a paper in the International Journal of Humanities and Social Studies. Participants saw, on an average, a 6% reduction in weight, a 25% reduction in fasting blood glucose, and a 27% reduction in postprandial glucose over a 3 months period. This just doesn't change the medicines and insulin intake, it transforms the entire life. Our conclusion is that early diagnosis, physical activity, and dietary management can bring better glycemic control and postpone chronic complications of type 2 diabetes and prolong healthy life. We want to help you too. Please start with a free health consultation. Book it now.